All right, we got our Coke and we're back. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and today we are looking at another Spyderco knife. So this was brought to you guys by bladeops.com. Guys, go visit bladeops.com. Let them know that Brandon or Everyday Minimalist had sent you, and they will definitely hook you up on your next knife purchase. So let's go ahead and talk about this guy here, the S45VN version of the Spyderco Para 3. Guys, I've been carrying my normal Para 3 for the past month and a half, and I haven't been able to let go of it until this guy came along, of course. Nonetheless, this thing is a really good knife, and they just came out with that S45VN version. And again, this is a sprint run version, so you guys might have to get it secondhand. They're really hard to get a hold of brand new just because they sell out like crazy. It's a collectible knife. Here you guys go. So this one is going to be a lot more different due to the fact that it does have different scales, and then the steel again is going to be that S45VN. And there it is, open up. The scales on this guy are really gnarly, and at first I wasn't a huge fan of it just because it was really grippy. Like, it kind of hurt to use it in that manner. Once I got it broken in, give it some pocket time, it kind of wore down a little bit, and now it's not as like sharp and gritty to actually handle. The steel on this, again, there you go, it's actually printed there on the blade, just like the S30V version. This one just has that S45VN, and I'll be honest with you guys, this is the first knife that I've personally owned that has S45VN, and it's actually performing really well. I was actually out shooting with some buddies, and we were cutting some wood targets as well as opening up just your standard paper targets. I've been using it to cut open packages and that sort of thing, and the blade is fantastic. There's absolutely no wear on the blade, and that's kind of like the biggest selling point of this knife and why I wanted it. Besides that, again, the scales are different. So you've got the green extra textured scales, and everything else is going to be pretty much the same as a standard Para 3. So we're not going to dive into all of these specs and everything. We've got a different video for that, so we'll link that in the description below. So this does have the 4-way adjustable pocket clip, which means that you can carry it tip up, tip down, or lefty hand use. This one I've actually dressed it up with a paracord, and that's kind of like the first paracord that I've put on a knife, and I actually really like it. I'm a photographer. I enjoy taking pictures of knives, and this just kind of gave it a little bit more aesthetic pleasure. This, guys, I will link in the description below, so you guys can just go pick that up. I think it was like $12 off of Amazon. So this does have a compression lock, like the Para 3, same exact pocket clip and everything. Again, this is going to be kind of a hard knife to pick up, so go try to get one off of, you know, like Craigslist or on eBay. Reddit is another good source to see if you can get your hands on one. I'm going to be carrying this for a long while now because this is probably going to replace the Para 3 standard version. So let's go ahead and read some comments off of the previous videos. Christian here says, your videos just keep getting better and better, from the high quality reviews to your expanding variety of knives. Great work, man. Dude, thank you so much. I really appreciate that, Christian. We've got Shoaib Mohammed saying, cool videos. Can I get a shout out, dude? There you go. There's the shout out, man. I hope that makes you happy. So Tiffany's here says that you give me coder vibes. I'm not really a coder. I work for a custom gaming PC company, just so you guys know. So yeah, I don't really code, but I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. You let me know. And then last but not least, my boy Bearded Gear. He's actually another YouTuber. Guys, go visit his YouTube channel. He said, another great video, buddy. Dude, thank you so much for being an avid supporter here at Everyday Minimalist. Dude, we are going to grow like crazy together, I promise. We'll just keep that content coming for you guys. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for dropping by. If you guys enjoyed this content, leave me a thumbs up. If you guys disliked it, throw me a thumbs down, and I promise you guys will do better next time. If you guys would like to see some photos of this Para 3 and then many others, just go ahead, go to my Instagram profile. It's just going to be every.day.minimalist, and then you guys can see all those cool pictures there. If you guys enjoyed this content here on YouTube, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Ring that bell icon so you know when that next video is live. We kept this one really short, but don't worry, guys. We've got some really nice goodies coming soon. Thank you guys so much for dropping by, and then we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.